Hey guys, Coach here. This week's plant of the week is a great ground cover. Great ground cover. And I got the green version and I've also got the variegated version. This is Asiatic Jasmine, a star jasmine's baby brother. But it is also a very good fill-in and a low growing type of ground cover. It'll do very well to about 12 inches or so. It can even be string trimmed. It could be mowed. It can be mowed on a very high setting, say like 8 inches or so, to be kept in bounds. Asiatic Jasmine is a full sun lover in 90% of the situations, except the real hots of the desert. It's gonna wanna have some morning sun and afternoon shade mandate to it for that. But this one here, the summer sunset variety, you can see the tag there and how it can really color up out in the sunshine when it's happy. And the dark glossy regular green one, okay, for all you guys who just like green. But Asian Jasmine, you should look for it. It's a great fast filling ground cover, especially if you have a big bed and you have larger plants in the back. And this guy is the ground cover out front, especially the variegated one. I invite you to check it out, see if it'll fit your situation. Yeah, I'm Matt, you can call me Coach. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the other videos I have, and thanks for taking a few minutes. You guys take care. See you next week.